Hi guys! In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make simple gloves for your costumes. So let's get started. You just need scissors, pins, a pen, paper and the fabric you're gonna use. This is the simplest way of making gloves, so the fabric must be super stretchy to work nicely. Place your hand over the paper and trace around it with the pen. Make sure the fingers are equally distant and the pen is perpendicular to the table. Use the pen to fix the pattern, making sure there's a small space between the fingers are not distorted, and that they're not pointy. When you're satisfied, cut out the pattern. Fold the fabric in such a way that the stretchier direction is the horizontal. Draw the pattern on the wrong side of the fabric. Use something designed to trace on fabric that is washable. Don't use a normal pen like me. I'm making gloves a little longer to make sure no skin will be visible on my costume. Pin around the pattern before sewing. Sew over the traced pattern using super narrow zigzag stitch. Don't use a straight stitch because they may break when you try to put your gloves on. And that's how it's gonna look like when you're done. Cut super close to the stitches. This is a super nice tip because most people cut the patterns with a seam allowance before stitching. If you cut the patterns before sewing, you have a really hard time with your sewing machine. Just folding and pinning a big rectangle of fabric makes it a lot easier to control the fabric. Turn the glove inside out. You can use the back of the pen to help with that. To finish the open edge of the glove, fold it twice all around it, pinning in place. Sew using a little wider zigzag stitch, stretching the fabric just a little as you sew. That's it! That's how you make simple gloves for your costumes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you're working with non-stretch materials like fake leather, there's another technique that can be used, and I'll be showing it on another video. Until then, happy cosplaying, guys!